I'm Tiffany, and today I am here to talk with you about the ultimate care that is available for your new BMW. So the ultimate care is going to make sure that the vehicle is covered for your everyday routine maintenance. Parts and labor will be taken care of by BMW, and going to make sure that the vehicle is covered and worked on by certified trained BMW technicians. This is a great way to make sure that the vehicle stays constantly under factory maintenance. You don't have to worry about surprise repair bills. The ultimate care will cover you at any BMW dealer nationwide. So if you're traveling, on vacation, you happen to need service work done, you can feel confident that this coverage will follow you anywhere you go. It ensures that you have the same quality of work at any BMW dealer nationwide. There are a variety of options available for the vehicle as far as time and coverage goes. We can customize and tailor coverage specifically to your needs. So whether you are simply leasing the vehicle for the next 3 years, we offer a 3-year or 36,000 mile coverage. Or if you plan on owning the vehicle for a long time, we can extend the maintenance for 4 years or 50,000 miles. 5 years or 75,000 miles, 6 years or 100,000 miles, all the way out to 7 years or 125,000 miles. So whether it's just a simple oil change needed by time or miles, or whether you need a set of front or rear brake pads or brake pads and rotors, or wiper blades, spark plugs, whatever the case, you can feel confident that it's being maintained by trained, certified BMW professionals. With the BMW Ultimate Care, it does include roadside assistance as well as towing to your local BMW dealer. The BMW Ultimate Care is also transferable, so if you sell your vehicle, then the new owner will also have the peace of mind that they are having trained technicians work on their vehicle, and they won't be surprised with any repair bills either, because BMW will be taking care of them as well. Congratulations on your new BMW. If you would like more information about the Ultimate Care, please contact your financial services manager at BMW of Charlottesville.